Hey guys, TechRoam here, back with another video, and I think it's been a while since I've uploaded, so I just want to explain where I've been and what's going to happen moving forward. So basically what happened was, around the past year or so, I've just finished my first year in university, and I really wanted to just settle in before I pursue my passion in technology to make more videos for you guys, and just really want to find the time this year to be able to make more videos for you guys and really grow the channel. So this year is going to be the year to really try to grow my channel. And yeah, so basically what I realized moving forward was that I don't think I'm going to do any more B-roll videos. It really depends on the situation. However, now I think the best way to kind of really show the tech products is just me speaking over them as I do my unboxings. I think that's probably the best way moving forward because it's easier to edit and also just saves me time and also probably gives you the live experience of me unboxing the product and showing you guys. So I think that's probably the gist of what's going forward. And also we're just trying to grow the channel more and have more products with you. I've just recently bought a new camera right now. This is the Sony ZV-1 for the techies out there. I'm going to make a new video probably next about this. So this is the SanDisk Extreme Pro SDXC UHSI card. And this is probably the go-to card you want for a camera if you're recording in 4K. Mainly for YouTubers, I think this is perfect. Or just someone who likes taking videos, I think this is something that's really needed because you need a really strong write speed, as you guys can see. It's only around 120 Hong Kong dollars, which is around £12, which is pretty cheap to be honest. You can go for much higher speeds, but I think this is probably adequate enough for your camera. And this is 170 megabytes per second. You can see there's a V30 in the U3 class, 4K UHD. I guess it's a rip open kind of vibe. And also this camera, if you guys realize, it's the focus is really good. I can just literally put in my hand and it immediately focuses. So I'm going to showcase the camera soon, but it's definitely an amazing camera. I'm going to ditch my DSLR for this camera. And inside this box, pretty basic. All you have is just a card. I'm just going to cover up the code. So actually it's a free download. To be honest, I don't need this, so you guys can have this. It's a Rescue Pro Deluxe. You guys can feel free to just get it. Whoever gets it first, just use it, mate. You're welcome. It's a 2-year subscription of the Rescue Pro service for the software. So let's just open up everything and just have a look at the card. I mean, there's not too much to talk about the product because it's just an SD card, to be honest. It's nothing too fancy. But anyways, we're gonna have it open. You get a little card storage. And yeah, here we go. Here's the SD card. Bit of gold plating there. And to be honest, this is pretty much it in terms of the card itself. But what I think this is the best thing is that the write speeds are really quick. So when you're recording 4K video on your Sony ZV-1 or any DSLR or rather just mirrorless cameras or any camera that really shines in terms of video and also photo, I think you need something really quick to be able to write this speed into your camera. Furthermore, I think things like 128 gigs, 256 gigs, really depends on the camera, depends on how much you shoot, how much you video. But personally, I think 64 gigabytes was enough for me because of the fact that I think because I have a Wi-Fi feature on my my camera and I can just constantly transfer to my computer, so I think I save half the money if I get the 128 gigabytes. But yeah, this is just kind of a quick update. I kind of made this video more to kind of show you guys what's happening in my life and just really tell you guys what's moving forward. So I'm really excited to be back. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully I'll be able to make much more videos in the future. Please comment down below just to say you're a returning subscriber or anything. It's really good to really get some feedback from my fans. And what do you guys think of this new live unboxing moving forward? And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.